Good afternoon.
Howdy.
So we're at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park today, and we are hiking the Middle Prong Trail. This is a easy to moderate hike. It's a pretty wide trail, appropriate for families and pretty much all age groups. It's got great water features all the way. Beautiful waterfalls and streams, great photo opportunities for those who like photography. So, thank you for joining us here today on this beautiful hike, and we shall explore Middle Prong Trail. As we set out on the Middle Prong Trail, we were in awe of the many beautiful waterfalls and the lush vegetation that greeted us on this stunning summer day. So what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. There's a little ledge there. It's kind of neat.
Yeah, water drops off right there.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. Along the way, we spotted this beautiful eastern newt. So, you know, the way down and up is dicey if you're gonna do this here on the Middle Prong Trail. Watch your footing, and the rocks down here by the water are very slick. Later on, we spotted this beautiful salamander. I'm not sure if it's a southern Appalachian salamander. If anybody knows, please comment below. The Middle Prong Trail is hands down the best waterfall hike you can find in the Great Smoky Mountains. The trail is located at Tremont, and it has a round-trip length of 8.3 miles with 1,140 feet of elevation gain. So as you can see, there's one beautiful waterfall after the next on this hike, and it just makes for a great day hike away from the crowds. This usually doesn't get as crowded here on the Middle Prong Trail. I highly recommend it. It's great for families. It's pretty level most of the way, and you can continue to go. And it's a wide path, plenty of room. So much beauty with all the water features, and it's also great for photography. So thank you for joining us today here on the Middle Prong Trail. I hope that you enjoyed the hike.